Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter 1 of Geography where we are discussing about environment and its types. Dear students, in previous module we have discussed about natural environment and its domains. And in this module we shall study about ecosystem and human environment. So let's begin with ecosystem. Dear students, all plants, animals and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings and are interdependent on each other. This relationship between the living organisms as well as the relation between organism and their surroundings form an ecosystem. The size of an ecosystem varies greatly. It can be as large as the rainforests, grasslands, deserts, lakes, and rivers, or as small as a pond. Human environment. Human environment is formed by human beings. It includes humans' values, beliefs, and also their activities. Human environment is greatly influenced by the natural environment. This influence decides the lifestyle, occupation, dress, food habits, and nature of habitats of human beings. Dear students, human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With time, needs grew and became more varied. Humans learned new ways to use and change environment. They learned to grow crops, domestication of animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started and commerce developed. Despite this dependence on the environment, human beings and their activities also pose the greatest threat to the environment. For example, fumes are polluting the air, land is being consumed to build factories, roads, public buildings, etc. So, a perfect balance is required between the natural and human environment. Through careful and judicious planning in terms of use of resources, waste disposal, land management, and population growth. Dear students, every year on 5th June we celebrate the World Environment Day to raise awareness about the need to take positive action in favor of our environment. So, dear students, that was all about this chapter. Thank you.